We eating ZAXBYS, y'all.
Yeah, make a fry dance. That's from the fall when you hit the floor, you gonna eat it too.
I don't know about eating it, but hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Marijiah. If you are new to my channel, if you're not new, you already know, leave me a comment, like my video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a video and when I post. This
I'm in the video.
is gonna be, well, you weren't supposed to be in the video, but this is gonna be a video or a vlog. Today we were supposed to go to the botanical gardens.
Yes.
But it's raining in Atlanta, so I don't believe we'll be doing that. So we would have to pick something else to do. So we'll take you on the journey when we decide what we're gonna do, if anything. Next, I want to talk about some sponsored content. There is a website called Lifestyle Living, and they sell phone cases for Android, iPhone. They also have pop sockets, I think is what it's called, and you can put it on the back of your phone to hold your phone in your hand. They have purses, bags, accessories, screen covers or screen protecters. But there's a various different amount of things on the website. And if you use my code RIJIAHB, you'll get 10% off. And I'll show you my phone case that I ordered. I think it's cute. The prices are very reasonable, so you shouldn't have an issue with picking out a phone case for like $10, $12. There are a couple for like $17.99. So take a look at the website. I'll put the website in my description as well as the Instagram link in my description as well, so you can click on it, take a look at the website, go purchase something, use my code, and get 10% off. Watch out. These fries trash. Dang. Mine is.
Man, we the second course, more time they open.
$5.11.
Let's see what time they open.
I mean, they ain't like complete trash, but they sure don't taste. ZAXBYS. That's what we're eating, guys.
Oh, they open at 10:30. Still ain't know it's 2. So now that means that car didn't have no reason to be sitting there.
No, they called it street. I don't know what they called it. They thought they was gonna order right there.
Yeah, they probably waiting on somebody to say something. Stupid.
We eating ZAXBYS, y'all.
Yeah, make a fry dance. That's from the fall when you hit the floor, you gonna eat it too.
I don't know about eating it, but
Gotta be quicker than that. Stop playing with your food and don't put it to your mouth.
why don't you worry about yourself? Stop worrying about me.
Go to the whole strong. Stop
Dang, worry about yourself.
Bring that weak tide action in here.
You better shut the hell up. You better go out and smack your black ass.
Look, this is how you need to start eating.
No, you need to worry about you.
Talking about something. You don't take it to the hole.
Worry about yourself. Don't worry about me. I was over here doing my own thing. You had to come in, interrupt, and ruin it. Dang. Anthony, I swear.
Play it again, man.
Keep on playing. I'm gonna smack you for it and you're gonna be pissed off because you know you don't like people smack you. And you say I'm already heavy-handed.
You dirty-handed.
Your mama. I got a piss pot pee.
It even makes me so happy, man.
I got a piss pot pee. Piss pot pee.
Oh, it makes
piss
me so
pot
happy.
pee.
There's nothing better than food. Other than the rides sometimes.
I got a piss pot pee. Y'all know what that is? I need a piss and a pot where I can pee. I just made that up. I don't even know.
Because anybody that got a piss pot pee don't know how to use the bathroom. Y'all need some instructions. Big private spot though.
I do gotta pee though.
Pee before we leave? Nope. Already know you got a little
yes,
baby.
I did. I did pee.
Now you got a little baby blood.
I did pee. Just the fries, and there we go. Woo! Huh? I can't eat mine that fast, so.
I'm not to eat right now. When you bite into your nibble, close your eyes, man. Just think about the flavors.
That boy ready to fight over that. I'm being hungry.
I got food so fast. God,
Alright, it's the next day. This is our duplex that we were living in for a couple of years, and we are saying goodbye, duplex, and hello, home. We are going to have a new house tour to show you guys really soon. This is our old place. We moved out of our old place, and we are on to bigger and better blessings. We are definitely blessed, definitely grateful, so appreciative of what God has done and has been doing in our lives, and just continuously blessing us when we are so undeserving. So this is our duplex that we are saying goodbye to. Hallelujah. It was a 2-bedroom duplex. And this was my workroom / studio. Had a little closet in here. This way Andy put his stuff, because our closet was so small and it took up all the space. My clothes took up all the space. This was like a little hallway closet. Alright, this was our bedroom. And that was the dining room right there. This was the living room. I was throwing out the little vent. It was time to take that out. This was our little bitty closet. All my stuff was in there. No room at all for us to put our stuff in there together. And this was the little bathroom. Looked like a freaking jail bathroom. But yeah, this was our duplex. We are saying goodbye and hello home. Thanks for watching this video, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the new house tour and many other videos. Please turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anything from me. And until then, peace.